Hi, I'm Rima. In May, my customer service job got replaced by AI and offshore agents. But instead of only feeling anxious, I actually felt kind of excited because I knew it was finally time for me to go all in on what I wanted to do. Instead of applying to jobs I know I'll hate, I thought if I'm going to be broke anyway, might as well try and make it fun, I guess. On this channel, I review tech, mainly cute and aesthetic tech. We also do crafts. I specialize in air dry clay, but I eventually want to move on to real clay. I also like to do some lifestyle stuff, so some makeovers, sometimes there will be blogs. I've got a health plan, some savings, a deadline, and a lot of hyperfixations to go through. If you like cute tech, clay, pink stuff, and unhealthy obsession with Halloween, come and hang out. New video almost every Friday, and I'm also on TikTok sometimes when I don't forget about it.